Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Internet of Things. Okay. Today, I will just give a brief definition of Internet of Things. If you would like to know more about Internet of Things, you can give your suggestion on in the comment box. I will come out with more videos about Internet of Things. Okay. So, what is Internet of Things? Internet of Things is a network of physical objects or people called things that are embedded with software, electronics, network, and sensors that allows these objects to collect and exchange data. Actually, why Internet of Things come into existence is that because in early days, whenever we talk about network, then we used to work with only computers. Okay, computer devices. But people have thought of when technology has been advanced, people have thought of including some other devices or to the computer network so that people can collect information and data about a particular device or about the things. So just think for a moment. Whenever you are giving some input to a computer, so computer process it and give you some output. So for any input that if whenever the media of input to a computer is only a human being, so why not we enable computer in such a way that it can collect data of its own and process it and give some output without the intervention of your human being. So uh, this is where people have thought of about connecting things to the computer, and the evolution of your computer Internet of Things come into your existence. Okay. Now, what is the goal of the IoT? The goal of the IoT or Internet of Thing is to extend to internet connectivity from standard devices like computers, mobile, tablet to relatively dumb devices like a toaster. Okay. So this is what the idea of connecting different devices to the network. Okay. So let's see this figure. Okay. We have internet over here. Okay. We have some devices, and all these devices are computer. All these devices are connected with each other through this internet. Okay. It may be your smart home. Okay. Or it may be a gaming console, or it may be your fridge in your house, it may be a bulb in your house. Okay. It may be speaker, or it can be a multimedia system, whatever things. So everything can be connected to the internet. Okay. That's all. If you need more about this IoT, you can give your suggestion in the comment box.